Hello, my name is Gerhard Welker and I'm Product Manager for SAP S/4HANA. Today I will guide you through the top innovations within SAP S/4HANA Cloud 2002 for manufacturing and supply chain. Let us start with warehouse management, which is strongly represented in the 2002 release with a multitude of innovations. The first one is a lean integration between production and warehouse, managed on bin level. To produce semi-finished and finished products, it is usually necessary to stage components that are needed for the production process to the production supply area close to the machines where they will be consumed. So far, production supply areas used in SAP S/4HANA Cloud can only be assigned to inventory managed storage locations. With the 2002 release, production supply areas can be assigned to warehouse managed storage locations as well. This has the effect that the components staged to a production supply area can be managed on a storage bin level. The lean integration between production and warehouse increases stock transparency as stock in production is managed on a more regular level. Goods received posting for the inbound delivery can be omitted because the goods received can be posted directly and synchronously in the warehouse. Goods issue posting for the outbound delivery can be omitted because staging of the components can be done to a warehouse managed storage location. My second topic is an often asked requirement from customers: the serial number handling in warehouse management. Now with the 2002 release, it is possible to handle serialized products in the warehouse. For this purpose, new serial number profiles are available to support integrated processes with the warehouse management. SAP Fiori apps like change inbound deliveries and run outbound process have been enhanced to allow for serial number assignments. By the way, the serial number topic leads me from warehouse management to quality management, which has started to enable serial number handling in inspection results recording. In quality management, I would like to draw your attention to the new 8D problem-solving process. Starting point is a recorded defect with high impact which should be resolved sustainably. For this purpose, the quality engineer can start the new problem-solving process within the Record Defect app. The new SAP Fiori app Resolve Internal Problems enables the quality engineer to process issues according to the 8D methodology, which consists of 8 standardized steps like corrective and preventive actions. The 8D methodology is typically used in automotive and discrete industries. If you want to learn more about manufacturing and supply chain as part of our SAP S/4HANA Cloud 2002 release, visit blogs.sap.com and read my blog. You can find all this information and more on sap.com/s4-cloud release. Thanks for tuning in.